In this video, I'm going to show you how you can check for plagiarism using Grammarly. So if you want to know if a document has been plagiarized, it is quite simple. All you need to do is to go ahead and open Grammarly and then go to new doc here. And from here, go ahead and copy your document and then paste it here. Now, once your document is here, you can simply check for plagiarism by using plagiarism checker, which checks for AI text and plagiarism. So if I go ahead and click on check for plagiarism, you can see here you'll be required to have a pro account for you to be able to do this test. So if you already have a pro account, it will go ahead and highlight all the parts or all the text that have been plagiarized or have been written by AI in this document. So for my case, I don't have a paid account and therefore I'll not be able to check for plagiarism. So if you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful, please like it and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.